Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Myself Ganesh. Today we are talking about this concept snapshot. So basically snapshot we are taking for these two things. First is this name instances and second one is the volume. So this what means snapshot we are taking when you are doing any activity on any production server or any critical server. So at that time you are taking some backup of your instance on, or you can say your volume. So whatever the volume which are connected with your instances, you can take the snapshot of your volume or either for these instances. So we will do some demonstration to create one launch instance using this Linux machine, and we will take this snapshot. And if in case something wrong with your Linux machine, then you can recover that Linux machine using this snapshot. So before you need to take this snapshot, you need to take some precautions. First you need to, okay, I am going to select this region and just I am going to select it. And also you need to keep one thing with you, that is this instance having this same availability zone and your volume always. I am giving the name, that is my pre-pod pre-server, okay, pre-production server. Just configure it and just I'm going to launch it. Okay, I'm going to create one key having the name pre-server pre-server 1. Download, just save it and launch it. Okay, I'm in under this Mumbai region, and now this instance is now going to create. It will take some time. I'm just copying this public IP address and I will open this putty chain and just I need to extract my key. Load. Here is my download option. You need to select that file, pre-server. Just save it and save it under this private key. Under this desktop, I'm going to save having the name pre-server key 1. Okay, and just close it. Open your putty. You can take the putty of your server, pre-server key, just launch it. EC2, here EC2 hyphen user. So this is the user, this is the server I have created. Now I am going to create this snapshot, right? So just click on snapshot. Under this elastic block store you will get this option. Click on snapshot. Here you need to create this snapshot for volume or instance. So I am creating this for this instance. You need to select your instance ID. Here you need to describe something snapshot for pre-server. Here it is option to exclude your root volume, but I am not going to exclude because my instance having one root volume. Now this snapshot is now going to create. So using this snapshot we can create one volume, and using that volume we can attach that volume to the any particular instances. But that instance and your volume which you are creating now, so both are same in the same availability zone. Okay, so this is the requirement, because when you are creating any EC2 instance, so that time this instance and your volume should be in the same availability zone. So this is the concept of this snapshot. So now this snapshot is now going to create. So using this snapshot we will create one volume. So just I'm going to rename it snapshot 3. And under this volume, when you are creating any particular instance, so under this volume you will get that volume name which is attached with your instances, right? So go to again under this snapshot. Here it is completed. Now go to under action and you can create your volume also, either you can create the image. So using that image also you can create one template. Its image is nothing but your template, and using that template you can create the new instance. Okay, you can launch your new instance. But now we are creating one volume because already we have created one AMI image in the last video. So now we are creating this volume using this same snapshot which I have created. Now here is the option we are getting, which volume type you want to take. So these are the options here it will provide, and it is asking for the size because already we have taken this 8 GB of this size. So you can take above 8 GB but not below 8 GB, because it will not detect it if you want to take it. Okay, now I am going to select it under this 1A. This is my availability zone where I need to create it, create volume. Just close it. Okay, now this volume is now created. Go to under this volume. Here I am going to rename it volume, volume of pre-server. Okay, okay, now it is in available state, and my pre-server volume I am going to rename it pre-server volume. Okay, no issue. Main. Okay, just I rename it. I'm going to create one another EC2 instance, and I will remove this current EC2 instance first, and I will create the new, because already we have taken this snapshot and created one volume. So there is no issue. Just terminate it, and we will attach this volume which we have created with the new instance. Okay, first I'm going to create one Linux machine. Add storage. Yeah, just go to previous. Here you need to select this same availability zone which you have selected for this volume. So here is the volume where you need to select 2A. Just click on next. 8 GB. Add. I'm going to some. This is my new server. Okay, name, new free server. Configure the security. You just click on anywhere, review and launch it. If you want to create any particular or existing key, I am going to take. I have created it for this where is pre EC2 pre. Okay, it is not reflecting, so I'm going to create this new key. Okay, no issue. Create new key. Here I'm going to specify this name, that is new pre key. Okay, let's save it and launch it. Okay, now my Linux new machine is now going to create. So just click on here. Just check the information about this instance. Here under this storage you will get this. Okay, /db/sd1. Okay. Now we need to attach. Okay, so before attaching any particular volume, so just you need to keep some information. You need to know the instance ID, to which instance ID you want to attach that particular volume. And also while attaching any root volume with any particular instance, so at that time first you need to stop that instance. So I'm going to stop this instance first, and I will attach that volume with this server. Now it is going to stop, and first go to under this volume. This is my pre-volume which I have created, so it is in use. This is my new pre-servers. So and it is in use, so first we need to check it is in use till. Okay, you need to go under this section. First you need to detach it, click on yes detach. Now it is going to detach it. Once it detach, we will attach this volume with the new server, right? So it will take some time. Yeah, now it is attached. Yeah, it is now detached. Now I am going to attach this volume with the new server. So you need to click on attach volume. Here it is asking for this instance ID. So this new server, and here it is asking for this device name. So here you need to specify the device name which we have created for this. That is my previous snapshot which you have taken this snapshot for that instances. That is my old servers. So you need to specify that device name here. So this is the SDA1, that is my device name which I have copied, and just going to attach it. Now it is attached. Okay, and you can start your EC2 instance now. So this EC2 instance is now built with this new volume, right? So you need to start it. So this is the method. Okay, there is some error. Okay, no issue. So I think I take this some wrong this. So whenever you are doing in this lab, so at that time you need to first save that when you are creating your pre servers first server. So you need to specific means you need to copy. Yeah, this is my storage name, okay, which I have taken. So okay, just one moment, I'm going to do this again. First go to under this volume. Yeah, this is my use. So first I need to detach it. Yeah, this is now detached. Because this volume name should be same which you have taken, because my snapshot which I have created from that particular instance. So that time this device name you need to save it, and you need to use this same device name while attaching it to the new servers. Okay, so just I'm going to attach it with this same name. Just click on this no, and here you need to paste that device name. I'm going to attach it. Now I'm going to check my EC2 instance either working or not. Yeah, go to under this new pre server, just start it. Going to start it. Yeah, now it is successfully started, right? So this is the method you can apply while doing this snapshot, how to create your volume from this existing snapshot. Now this instance will create, and you will get this previous volume data under this server, right? So while creating this new server also, you can create any different configuration server under this general purpose and provision. So that time you can create your instance using your requirement. So this is the method you can apply in the organization while doing this working on this snapshot. So thank you guys, thank you for watching this video.